For small businesses, keeping track of expenses is essential, and there are several effective ways to do so. To begin with, one of the top options is Ramp, which excels in expense automation and boasts a user-friendly interface. This platform offers a seamless experience with its easy-to-use web and mobile interface, making it an ideal choice for small businesses. By automating tasks such as receipt generation, categorization, and expense reporting, Ramp helps save time and boost productivity. Additionally, it integrates with various accounting applications, including QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Xero, further streamlining expense management. Ramp also allows integrations with up to 60 banks globally, and it offers a 30-day free trial, with a paid monthly plan starting at $15 per person. Another notable option is Bench, which is best suited for monitoring financial reports. Its bookkeeping toolset enables businesses to manage their finances by importing and categorizing expenditures, making it easier to review and monitor financials, and ultimately, make informed business decisions. Bench is also useful for tax filing purposes, as it provides access to stored financial information. However, its pricing is tailored to specific business needs, requiring a quote. For small businesses that involve regular travel, Expensify is a useful tool. This software allows users to track expenses by snapping receipts on their phone and submitting them on the go, eliminating the need for manual receipt tracking. It also enables the automatic import of receipts from bookings, rides, and other expenses, making it easy to track and reimburse them. Expensify offers a free scan for up to 25 receipts per user, after which a paid monthly plan is required, starting at $5 per user, with a 6-week free trial. Ultimately, the top pick for expense tracking is Ramp, due to its seamless integration with other applications and its easy-to-use interface. Please note that fees are subject to change, and it is essential to verify current pricing.